Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 5 data handling, and today we are going to begin with exercise 5.2 from Ncert. Question number 1. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of people liked in a city. The adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. From the pie chart, answer the following questions. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Number 2. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? And number 3. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make? Now, if you look at the figure, the pie chart, there are 4 types of music which is displayed here: light, semi-classical, classical and folk. Based on this, we will answer the following questions. Number 1, they are asking, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Now, by looking at the chart, we can come to know there are only 10% who like classical music, and from 10% there are 20 people. We need to find out the total people. So if we make a statement over here, classical music was liked by 10% people, and out of which 20 people liked it. So we can assume the total number of people be x. So 10% of x gives to 20. So 20 is my answer. So how many number of young people were surveyed? 100. Multiply by 20 upon 10, which is equal to 200 people. Second part is light music liked by maximum number of people was 40%. Number 3, we need to find out if the company has to prepare 1000 CDs, then for the classical music, since it is 10%, 100 CDs needs to be prepared. For semi-classical, 20%, so 200. For light music, 40%, so 400. And for folk music, 30%, for 300. So total, if we add out, that comes to 1000 CDs. Question number 2. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons, rainy, winter and summer. Which season got the most votes? Find the central angle of each sector and draw a pie chart to show this information. Now the table is given to you. You have summer, rainy and winter. Number of votes in summer is 90. Number of votes for rainy is 120. And for winter it is 150. So which season got the maximum number of votes? Winter season, because that is 150. Now we have to find out the central angle. How to find out the central angle? First write season, write number of votes, and for the central angle you have a formula: 90, that is the number of votes, divided by the total, that is 360, multiply by 360 degrees, which comes out to be 90 degrees. For the rainy season it will be number of votes is 120, total angles are 360, multiply by the central angle, that is 360 degrees, which comes out to be 120. Same way in the case of winter, it comes out to be 150 degrees, and based on the information 90 degrees, 120 degree and 150 degrees, we can make the following pie chart. Question number 3. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. Now for a pie chart, what we need to have a central angles, because that is an angle formed. And how we are going to find out the angles? Let me explain you. We are given the colors, we are given the number of people. So to find out the central angle for blue, what is the number of people? 18. Divided by total number of people, that is 36. Multiply by the angle, central angle or the total angle, that is 360 degrees formed. So it comes out to be 180 degrees. For the green, same way we will do 9 upon 36. What is 9? Number of people. What is 36? Total number of people. Multiply by 360 gives out to be 90. Same way red and same way yellow, we can find out 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So based on this information, 180 degrees, 90, 60 and 30, we can make the following pie. Question number 4. The following pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. Number 1. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? So how are we going to find this? We are given the marks over here. We need to find out the subject. Now for that what we are going to do is, number 1, for 540 marks the central angle formed will be 360 degrees, because 540 is the total marks and total angle formed will be 360 degrees. We need to find out degrees for 105 marks. So for 105 marks it will be 360 upon 540 multiplied by 105, which gives out to be 70. So let us see from the table. So 70 degree relates with which subject? Do we have 70? Yes, the central angle 70 degree is there. So that is related with Hindi. So Hindi is the corresponding subject where 105 marks is obtained. Number 2, marks obtained in mathematics. Let's find out that. 90 is the central angle upon total angle 360 multiply by the total marks, that is 540. We will get the marks 135. So whether it is more than Hindi? Of course, because for Hindi the marks were 105. For mathematics marks is 135. So the difference between both is 30 degrees. Next, we need to find out the central angle of social science plus mathematics. That gives us to 65 plus 90, which is 155. And central angle of science and Hindi gives you total 150 degrees, which is definitely more. So the sum of the marks obtained in the science and mathematics is more than that in the science and Hindi. That means, so first one was social science and mathematics, and then is science and Hindi. For social science and mathematics it is more, as it is 155 degrees, and for science and Hindi it is less, that is 150 degrees. So there is a gap of 5 degrees in between. Marks obtained in social science and mathematics are more than that of the marks obtained in science and Hindi. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages given below. Display the data in the pie chart. Now we have Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil and Bengali. We have number of students with us. Let us find out their central angle by using the formula number of students divided by total number multiplied by 360. So for Hindi, number of students are 40 divided by total number of students are 72, multiplied by the total angle, that is 360 degree, it comes out to be 200 degrees. For English it will be 12 upon 72 multiplied by 360, which is 60 degrees. For Marathi it is 9 upon 72 multiplied by 360, which is 45 degrees. For Tamil it is 7 upon 72 multiplied by 360, which is 35 degrees. And lastly Bengali, it is 4 upon 72 multiplied by 360, which is 20 degrees. And we have a corresponding pie chart relating to the angles found. With this we finish exercise 5.2 children. I hope you must have understood how to find out the angles and how we can draw the information from that. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 5.3. Till then children, take care. Goodbye.